What's going on, guys? Make money online in every single day. I upload a video to teach you how to make money online. Today I want to share about an amazing website to browse for earning extra cash from any corner of the world by using your computer or your mobile phone easily. Before starting this video, I cordially request to watch my previous videos from my YouTube channel on best mining Bitcoin easily. On the other hand, if you are first time on my channel, please subscribe my channel and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from here. And if you appreciate my videos, please like, comment, share more and more with your friends and family members. On the other hand, if you want to get such types of videos, please comment on my comment box. So let's get started. All right, this website is called cryptobrowser.com. Cryptobrowser.com is one kind of browsing website to earn extra cash from any corner of the world easily. If you come to this feature, you'll be able to know more and more information about this CryptoTab Browser.com. This one is it is an incredibly lightweight and fast browser. Second one is built-in mining features CryptoTab, and this one is user-friendly customizable interface. Fourth one is support for synchronization on multiple devices. And if you want to know more information about this 5 reasons to use CryptoTab browser, CryptoTab is a flexible solution providing you with all of the tools to explore and navigate the web. It also has a whole pack of unique features, making it truly stand out among competitors. One earn while surfing the web. Second one is the fastest built-in mining algorithm. Third one is switch to the new browser in a click. Enjoy all of your favorite Chrome extensions. Use Chrome CryptoTab on all of your devices over here. And CryptoTab features, I mean common features over here. First of all, this one security and filters tabs and Windows address bar, search CryptoTab features, cloud boost over here. So if you come to this scrolling down, and you'll be able to know for earning level from this CryptoTab browser. Raise your earnings, invite new users. We pay for each new users you invite, and for the users they invite, and so on up to level 10. Say how much you can earn with the help of income calculator. First one, this one is your personal link. Second one, level 1. If you cross or overcome level 1, you'll be able to get 15%, level 2 10%, and level 3 5%, and level 4 3%, and level 5 3% over here. Up to you will be able to get level 10% over here. And this one is calculate how much you will be able to earn. Users invited by you, and you can increase like this and up to 10. And also users invited by your referrals, and you'll be able to get up to 10. So this one is the pretty cool, I think. How to start earning affiliate income. This one is affiliate features you can earn from this website as an affiliate commission from here. First one, invite new users via the personal link, encourage them to use CryptoTab browser. Second one, all people invited by you, all users you have invited and by their reference become members of your mining network. The members of your mining network's activity use the browser for surfing and mining over here. Fourth one is you'll be able getting a commission fee depending on the network's size and members activity over here. So this one is the first and common features about this CryptoTab browser. So what should you do after reading all the features about this CryptoTab? First of all, you have to download this CryptoTab browser on your computer or your mobile phone at a glance. First of all, if you just click on this download CryptoTab browser, you'll be able to get the icon on your computer, this one CryptoTab browser. If you open this one, you'll be able to activate cloudboost.com and then accept and conditions over here. And this one is you have to click on this 1.99 USD per month, and this one their common features over here. Sign in with Google, and this one you have to. All right, I have opened this CryptoTab browser easily on my computer, I mean Windows. You can use this one on your mobile device from Google Play Store easily. So you will be able to get this browser search box, and you can search any types of informations like Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or other browser like this. If you browse such types of or lots of informations on this search box, you'll be able to earn uh, Bitcoin easily from this crypto tab. So this one is now I would like to browsing basically or literally we have to browse many things on different types of browsing websites. Now I am using this crypto tab, and lots of websites are over here, and if you browse like this lots of information to get lots of knowledge from this website, you can use CryptoTab browser easily for ensuring extra cash step by step. So today I have reviewed about this CryptoTab browser for browsing many things for ensuring extra cash from any corner of the world by using your computer or your mobile phone. So I think this one is amazing for you, and if you come to this browser again and again, you'll be able to get lots of Bitcoin from this CryptoTab browser over here. And the more you will be able to search, the more you will be able to get uh, Bitcoin from this CryptoTab browser. So I could request to use this CryptoTab browser like Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, and other browsing website. Thanks for watching my videos till then. I could request to watch my previous videos from my YouTube channel. And if you want to get such types of videos, please comment on the comment box. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.